Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by an integrated AI consultant, and inside mini apps, endless video tapes are deployed for online stores, ordering services, online courses, and interactive quests. Accept payments directly in the messenger. Moreover, bots now communicate with each other directly through the bot-to-bot function, linking any services into a single ecosystem. And the coolest thing is that every user who clicks Start Bot stays in your database forever, allowing you to send newsletters absolutely for free. In a selection of short 5-minute videos, I will clearly and without water show you how to run all this through the smart Questflow service. Without programming skills, just writing text to artificial intelligence what you need, or putting together a project using vibe coding. I have already posted all the examples and ready-made templates of multilingual bots in my Telegram channel. The free download link is right below this video. Go ahead and take it. We continue to explore the capabilities of our platform. Today, we are looking at the button block, the very same neat inline buttons that attach directly under your message. Let's see how to work with them. For clarity, let's create 2 buttons in the boss chain. We set the colors. The first one will be green and the second one will be blue. We enter standard message text and add animated emojis to grab attention. In the previous video, I already showed in detail how to work with the message block and loading animations. Let's switch to Telegram and see how it looks in practice. We clear the history and restart the bot. The video loads, a spectacular fiery emoji triggers, and our buttons appear right under the text. The main feature of our buttons is that they are attached to a specific message rather than floating at the bottom of the chat. You can place text, regular, or animated emojis on them. You configure their design yourself. These are our green and blue buttons. They can remain in the chat permanently or disappear after being clicked, depending on your design. We return to the canvas. Pay attention to the outputs from the block. We have a connection for the first button, for the second, and a default output. The logic is visual and intuitive. If a client clicks the first button, one scenario launches. If they click the second, it proceeds along a different branch. We simply drag the connections to the next blocks. But let's do something more powerful. Let's connect a full-fledged Telegram mini app to the button. We copy the URL of our mini app. This can be any website or, for example, a WordPress store for which we have created a ready-made free plugin. We paste the link into the settings of our green button. Notice that on the canvas, the output for the first button has immediately disappeared. This is because it no longer leads the user along the text chain, but immediately opens the web application. We leave one button and go to test it. We click our green button. Instantly, right inside Telegram, a beautiful store interface opens. The application immediately recognizes the authorized user. We simply add an item to the cart, enter the phone number, and choose delivery to the door. Let's say we are waiting for our pizza, confirm it and place the order. We close the window and see that the bot has already instantly sent us a notification confirming the order. From there, the funnel works for you. The client paid and the bot sent a receipt. The status changed to out for delivery, and an individual notification arrived. If you don't have